Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your January 2021 reading. Capricorn, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there, so take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's see what we can expect for the coming month, January 2021. New month, new year. So my angels, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most for Jan 2021, and also send them some guidance as to how to navigate these energies for their highest good. Thank you. So Capricorn, let's start with an angel blessing card and let's see how my angels are going to bless this reading, and then we take it on from there. Oh, triumphant. I didn't even have to spread the cards. I didn't have to shuffle enough. This card just popped out and sat here like this. All right. So you get the card of triumphant. So what are you going to be victorious in, Capricorn, in January? Let's figure it out. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting the channel with your lovely comments, your likes, your shares, and the generous donations that you've been sending to the channel. I'm very blessed and very grateful. Thank you so much for all your love. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. We welcome you in. So Capricorn, let's see what's in store for you. And Cappies, any of you need a private reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. All right. Oh, some healing, some balance coming into your life in January, Capricorn. Maybe something to do with your emotions, because I did see the emotions card here, bottom of the angel deck. So maybe some turbulent emotions that you've been going through, some healing is going to come to that. Some balance will come back to your life, and you will be triumphant, it seems. Let's see why and what is happening here. First card I have for you is the Tower. Oh my God, no wonder. Right, so recent past, 7 of Wands, and coming up is the 8 of Pentacles. So what's this Tower card, Spirit, in their current energy, Capricorn? Somebody's been emotionally manipulating you here, Capricorn, and you're still kind of getting over a Tower moment of something which is not yet over. It's not really over. This chapter is still open, but you're trying to guard yourself, or you have been in the recent past trying to protect yourself. Maybe this person came to you with a lot of empty promises. They said everything that you wanted to hear, but when it came to delivering, it was a no-show. This person came across as a bit cold, a bit harsh maybe, emotionally manipulative, said things which never kind of fruitified, and even though you were trying to see the higher ground and hoping and wishing that things could change here, I don't think somebody made a decision here, Capricorn, and that this kind of was like your Tower moment. You were ready for something much bigger. Yes, you were ready for commitment. You were ready to take this forward. But I think you've realized some truths about somebody, where you realize that even though this person seemed like a soulmate, or maybe seemed like an equal counterpart to you, in the past this person has never kind of made a decision regarding you, or made a decision regarding making a choice, like always kept you in confusion and never really made a choice. I think you're blowing up. You are kind of making the choice for them in January, or in your current position. That's what I see. So what's this Tower moment, Spirit? Yes, you're bringing a halt to the situation, saying, hey, if you can't make a decision, I'll make it for you. All right? So yeah, I think you are in January going to be concentrating fully on yourself, I think on work, and yes, you're kind of losing your, not losing, you are in January, I see you not concentrating so much on this past person who you now consider very selfish, very onto themselves, always trying to manipulate you, always saying things and promises which they never kept. And there's a blow up here, and you kind of making a decision now to nurture yourself. Yes, you are working towards your own stability in January, Capricorn. What else, Spirit? What about this person then? They are stressed out big time. They can't sleep now. They are stressed out. They are having nightmares that Cappy is gone now. They are healing themselves. They see you now as a star, as the person that could have fulfilled all their wishes, and now somebody is, I think, stressing about you that yes, you are not giving to the situation anymore. Maybe this person was a player, or maybe never committed, was in and out of your life, and that's the reason you've called quits on them and you ended things with them, right? So this person is going to feel this big time. Now all the secrets will be out, Capricorn. In January, I do see this person as wanting to rush towards you once again. They want to come in with an apology. They are heartbroken that, their Cappy is gone and concentrating on themselves. Or this could be flipped. You could have been on the other side, right? I could be picking up the energy of your cross watcher, but somebody here is now very clear about what they want, who their shining star is, and now they want to maybe heal a situation and come forward with an apology or a sorry or something. They're realizing what's happened and why things have blown up now. So Spirit is saying hold on to your independence, at least in January. You are being gifted, you are going to be triumphant as well. You are going to be single, you're going to be independent, you're going to be making a lot of money, it seems. Very secure, very stable within yourself. So right now, Spirit is saying, at least in January, do not leave your place. Yes, don't get confused here. Okay, don't start going back and forth in your mind to say, oh, somebody's come with an apology, should I not? Spirit's also saying don't hold on to any regret or sorrow of the past. Don't stay in your head in a self-imposed prison. You are going to be shining this month, Capricorn. You're going to have a lot of abundance. You're going to have a lot of win. Your work, business, job is going to do well. You're going to be feeling secure in your own right. There is no codependency here, and that is what this person is going to be very worried about, that they're going to see you with your glow up now that, Capricorn's gone off and is there now shining. What is it that you should let go of? Let go of this feeling that without a commitment from this person, you cannot win. You've been waiting and waiting and waiting for a commitment which hasn't come yet, right, Capricorn? And yes, it's now time to get off these crossroads and make a firm decision for yourself. I think you waited a long time for this commitment to come. Spirit is saying, let go of this right now. For the time being, Spirit is saying, you have to give yourself that care, that nurturing, that love, and we will make sure that the security you seek in another has to first be fulfilled in yourself, by yourself. And they're going to make sure that you are going to be a winner here. Spirit is also saying, yes, put a lid on that cup of love. Okay, this is for you this month, Capricorn. You have to be in self-love mode. Stop over-giving to people who are not filling your cup back. I think you are very nurturing, very kind, very loving, and you're always there to, give to others. Maybe especially this person who was a bit selfish and who took and never kind of reciprocated. Maybe made promises but never kept up to them. So Spirit is saying, let go of that. Now you have to be in self-love this month at least. Your biggest blockage is going to be your emotions, Capricorn. Get out of that feeling over-emotional or feeling overwhelmed emotionally, feeling sad all the time, worrying. Yes, what you have to do is be here, right? This card has come out twice for you, Capricorn. This is going to be a brilliant month for you to find yourself. Get out of your head, get out of these dark emotions that you sometimes they may come up. You have to actively push them away from your thoughts and concentrate on yourself. What's going to make you happy? So one more card, Spirit, for why is the moon going to be a blockage for Capricorn? The thought of moving away, maybe, right? The thought of moving away sometimes could be a little stressful for you, could be a little overwhelming for you. And if you stay too much in your thoughts regarding that, Capricorn, it can become a little bit of a blockage. So whatever you're doing for yourself, go day by day and concentrate on yourself. Let things flow the way they're supposed to flow. If this person has to learn a lesson and catch up with you, good for them, right? Your job is to get onto that horse of yours, right? And gallop towards your happiness in January. How does this person or people around you see you? Knight of Cups. People around you see waiting for love. People see that you are still in that mode where you're manifesting some emotional happiness, or you're waiting for love from another person, and you're not happy that you're not being given that status, or you're not being given that pedestal that you are so looking for as the empress, as the wife, or the person who is. So people do see you that you're still trying to manifest love in your life, or maybe an emotional offer from this past person. And you're unhappy about the fact that it hasn't come yet. That's how people, your friends, family, or people who are close to you are seeing you. They also see you as a bit angry and upset. They see you as bitter. You're angry in January. At least that's how people are seeing you. But what Spirit is saying, this is going to be the best month for you, because this is the month where you stop waiting for anyone else to give you validation, Capricorn. Pull all that love back and pour it into yourself. This is your glow up month. Who knows what's going to happen once you start shining like this? Yes, this is a time for a brand new chapter of your life, Capricorn. This is Spirit's secret message for you. This is the card I keep on the side as to what Spirit's secret message is going to be for you. So why is the world a secret message for Capricorn, Spirit? Spirit's secret message is to right now put a halt to the past chapter. It's time to close out one chapter of your life. There's a lot of action coming towards you, Capricorn, in this newfound freedom of yours. There's a lot of action going to happen for you. So concentrate on that instead of concentrating on what is not working. Yes, you have to now not give up. Okay, you're battered and bruised, but you are not over. You still have that one wand, and you don't know, just when you think things are over, beautiful things start appearing, right? With that last one wand of yours, don't give up. Try one more time. Your happiness is just around the corner. One more, Spirit. Yes, don't waste it on this person who makes you angry and upset all the time. This is your time for you. Shut off that feeling that, I have to, you have to bring a close to moving towards the past. Okay? Stop concentrating on feeling bitter and angry about what didn't happen. What you have to do now in this new chapter that's starting in your life is move forward. Look at the movement that's coming towards you. And yes, you have the will and the determination, or you should have, because whatever is bringing in the new chapter that's coming towards you, Capricorn, is going to now bring you the justice that maybe you've been seeking from another for a very long time. Triumphance. All right, so things are going to get better. I don't know what this person is going to do. That we'll see in our next reading, when we do our love readings, to see if they are back in your energy or still in your energy and what they're feeling. But right now it's time for you to concentrate on yourself and bring back balance to yourself. And don't look back at the moment. Okay, you will be tempted to, you will want to wait for this love offer to come, you will want to manifest them back, but right now I think it's time for you to take back your control. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Capricorn. I hope it worked. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.